US President Donald Trump has claimed that the United States has won the war against Iran, asserting that Tehran's naval and air capabilities have been completely dismantled. Speaking at a swearing-in ceremony for the Secretary of Homeland Security, Trump said Iran's military infrastructure, including communication systems, had been largely destroyed. He further stated that US aircraft were operating over Iranian airspace without resistance, adding that Iran was totally defeated militarily. Trump maintained that Washington now holds a strong negotiating position in ongoing talks with Tehran. What did Trump say about peace talks? Trump indicated that negotiations with Iran are underway and expressed optimism about a possible resolution. While he stopped short of guaranteeing success, he said Iran is keen to reach a deal. He emphasized that preventing Iran from acquiring nuclear weapons remains the top priority, claiming that Tehran has agreed to this condition. He also noted that the US had refrained from targeting key Iranian energy infrastructure, despite having the capability, in order to keep diplomatic channels open. What signals came from Iran? According to Trump, recent developments suggest a shift in Iran's approach, including what he described as a significant gesture linked to oil and gas and the Strait of Hormuz. He also alleged major changes in Iran's leadership, suggesting a departure from previous decision-makers. Despite these claims, Trump made it clear that he remains cautious, stating he does not trust Iran even as talks continue. Is Pakistan entering the diplomatic process? Meanwhile, Pakistan Prime Minister Shehbaz Sharif has expressed readiness to mediate between Washington and Tehran. This came after Trump shared Shehbaz's statement, offering to facilitate dialogue provided both sides agree. The developments follow Trump's announcement of a 5-day pause on strikes targeting Iranian energy facilities, signaling a possible window for diplomatic engagement.